Hi, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to prepare sandwich with canned baked beans. So this is my sandwich maker and I will be using this canned baked beans. So this is available in supermarkets and there are different varieties available. So I have the bread slices here, some onion sliced and cheese also. So let's go ahead now, and I'm going to just power on the sandwich maker. This is a non-stick. The minute it is powered on, the red light is on, and it will take about 3 minutes for the green light to come on. Meanwhile, we will be smearing some ghee, or you can also use melted butter, and smear it on one side of each of the slices of bread. So this will give a good taste to the sandwich and also prevent the bread from sticking to the non-stick surface of the sandwich maker. So we will flip all the buttered side and then we will be adding the other ingredients. So let us first add the baked beans. So these are actually canned baked beans, and it comes with sauce also. And this is completely cooked, and the beans are very soft and very tasty. So you don't need to do any other preparation for the baked beans. You can add them straight away to your bread and prepare the sandwich. So this sandwich is very tasty and will be enjoyed by everyone, young, old, children, anybody. Okay, now that we are done with the baked beans, I am adding some onion slices. You can also add some thinly sliced capsicum or tomatoes also at this point of time. And you did not add too much of baked beans, also just one big spoon of baked beans is sufficient for one sandwich. So you can add, I'm adding some cheese slices cut into pieces, and you can also use grated cheese or any other, whatever cheese you have at home. Okay, now we have done assembling all the ingredients. So let me close the other bread on top of this. So you can see that the green light is on and it's completely preheated. Okay, you might find it a little bit difficult to close it, but just use a little force and you can easily close it. So just wait for the green light to just switch off and your sandwich will be ready. You can just open it once in a while and check if the bread is nice and golden brown. Otherwise, you can just leave it for another 1 or 2 minutes and then you can switch off the toaster. Okay, so let me check once again. Yeah, it is done. Look how nice and golden brown it looks. It's very hot at this point of time, so don't use your hands to remove it. Just let it stand for a couple of minutes and the thing will cool down, and then you can remove the sandwiches. Here I'm using a knife to actually remove the sandwich. You can see that some of the cheese has, make sure you're not adding too much of cheese. You can scrape off this cheese later on once it is cooled. Okay, so you can cut this sandwich in the center. So it's a nice triangle shape now. This sandwich is an excellent snack for for breakfast or as a tea time snack, and also can be used as a late night snack also. It's very quick to assemble and just it is done in 3 minutes and it's very easy and instantly completed. So I am going to serve this with some ketchup. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care, bye bye, and I will see you in my next video.